So if you want to make $30,000 in the next month wholesaling real estate, I'm going to invite you to steal my strategy. Watch over my shoulder how I'm going to go out here and make $30,000 in the next 30 days wholesaling real estate. Now, this is a fun game we're playing. So let's play two different games. Let's pretend that we have a little bit of money in marketing and we have absolute $0 in marketing. We straight from the mud, and we're going to go out here and make a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. So I got my computer here. I got to make some money wholesaling real estate. What in the world am I going to do? Well, the first thing I'm going to do, and this is pretty simple, is I'm going to go out here and pull some data of distressed real estate. I'm going to go get their phone number, and I'm probably just going to call them. That is by far the easiest way to go out here and start making money in wholesaling real estate. Now, you might be like, well, Zach, wouldn't it be easier just to go to Zillow and the for sale by owners? Yes. To be honest, like if I want to make my life a lot easier, I would go to like Orlando or something, right? I would go to properties for sale. I would go by for sale by owners, owner posted, and I'd go out here and cold call, right? I mean, this is pretty simple. I'll find a crappiest house I could find, something like this listed for 175 right here, right? And I would offer like 70% of that, right? So if this property right here is listed for 175, I would just multiply that by 0.7. So right here, and you know, have an MAO of 122, I'd offer like 115 grand for the property, make 7 or 8 grand. Like, I mean, that's a quick way to get a deal. Like I'm telling you, you got no money, you want to make a quick little bit of money on the deal. That's fine. But like, that's not going to make you $30,000. Now, it's not greedy for you to want to go out here and make a bunch of money, right? You know, make it 7 grand, you want to go up here and make 30, right? Hey, I completely get it. It makes sense to me. So if you want to make even more money than that, what I'm going to highly suggest you do is get straight up government data. Now, we're using Orlando, for example, here, right? I want to make 30 grand in Orlando. It's actually pretty easy. What I'm going to do is actually get the code violation list. So I'm going to Orange County code violation. Now, the reason why code violations are so valuable is because there's local code enforcement. So specifically in Orlando, Florida, there is something called the Orange County Code Enforcement Department. And basically what they do is they drive around their car and look for ugly houses. So you might not know this, but it's actually against building codes to not cut your grass. It's against building codes to have your windows smashed in or the property be disgusting, have too many cars, and pretty much what we call deferred maintenance. If you're not maintaining your property correctly, code enforcement is going to slap a fine on your property, 30, 40, 50 bucks a day till it gets done. I've even seen some code enforcement departments, this is more of a city thing than a county thing because they're just greedy, is they can't really slap a fine some places. So what they do is if you have tall grass, they'll cut the grass for you. They'll spend like 50 bucks every week to cut your grass, but then they'll charge you $300 or $200 for the week of code violations. I see it all the time. The cool part is you can negotiate these down and help the seller out. Most realtors don't know how to do that. But the reason why this is so valuable is you can get this list pretty easy in Florida. If you can't get the list, is actually good because that means other wholesalers can't get it. But for Orange County, just to make it really simple, there is the Orange County code enforcement list, and Orange County does this. So if you go out here and just click to search and open code violations, click here. What it's going to do is going to download a spreadsheet for me. So let's go out here and open the spreadsheet up, and let's open it up. So as of today, these are going to be all the open code violations in Orange County, so Orlando, Florida, right? And you can see right here that these are being recorded today. I'm recording this on a Saturday, so this is actually kind of weird and insane. But as you can see here, right, we have, for example, right, there's lot cleaning junk. So let's go out here and look. Seems like there's a fire rescue enforcement violation, which is interesting. There's junk cars, housing. So what I like to do is I like to find the housing ones. So housing 2081 Las Palmas Circle has from a day ago a little code violation, and you have a number here. So we can look up the property here, and I can go out here, look at a satellite view on the property, and holy moly, look at this property, the blue tarp. That's a good looking home. I mean, by the way, like, I get distracted pretty easy. I got ADHD when it comes to finding real estate wholesaling deals. That blue tarp is actually a pretty good deal. But okay, this property has a housing code violation. Probably this is from 2022, so you're not going to see much. This property right here has some violation on it. And so that's going to be really good for me. And so what I'm going to do is I have this whole spreadsheet right here, which is actually pretty cool. Now, this is not in a way that I actually like because these are all messed up. So here's the issue with this, right? I would love just to dump all of these addresses right here into X leads, get it skip traced, and start calling these people, right? So again, little spoiler alert, if you've got like $100, $200 a month in marketing, this is what I recommend you do, right? I would take all these properties and I'd go out here and throw in X leads. Now here's the problem. I guess I can go to xleads.com right here. And by the way, if you want a 14-day free trial to X leads, just go to xleads.com. They have a 14-day free trial. And you might be like, Zach, how dare you try to tell people they need to go buy X leads? Bro, you got to remember, I'm literally Santa Claus out here. Did you know if you have absolute no money, no motion, fam, if you have no money at all, you can go to xleads.com right now, and Xleads gives 1,000 free skip traces for anybody that does a free trial. You could literally go out here, go to xleads.com, sign up, get a trial, and on 13th day, cancel it, and you got 1,000 free skip traces. So if you have no money, I still recommend you go to xleads.com. It's still the best wholesaling software, and because we have the best skip tracing now, it's only why xleads has a free trial. Literally just go get a 14-day free trial of xleads. It's right there. But what you're gonna do is just go to leads right here. Go out here, and you can even just search one property and do it like that. So for example, if you don't have more skip tracing, click a property right here, go to contact, and click the number, and obviously the phone number of the owner pops up right there. But that's very manual. And the problem with xleads, and it's not xleads that's the issue, is if you just upload this address right here, nothing's gonna pop up. Like, it's not gonna match really well. So what you need to do here with something like this, and this is where nobody really talks about this on YouTube, but like, do you see how these are like all addresses? The main issue with this is you need the address, street address, you need the city, and you need the zip code. That's the main issue here. So what we need to do is we need to go out here and get AI to analyze this address, see what the city, the state, and the zip code is, and do it for us. And so we can only do about, I'm probably gonna say 10 at a time, which is kind of annoying, but like, it's not a massive list. So what I'm gonna do is write a prompt here. It says, organize this data into street address, city, state, and zip code. These are in Orange County, Florida. I only have the street address. And this is very important you write this. I need you to get the actual real USPS verified address. I can't spell tonight, but verified address of each property listed. And the properties are, and then I'm gonna do a quote. I'm gonna paste it right here. And I'm just showing the raw, like how I actually do this, right? The cool part is if, you know, I don't want to get demonetized on YouTube, but like I'd be rocking some like Big X the Plug, some Yeet right now in the background, just jamming while we're doing this, right? Like having a good time doing this. Unfortunately, I can't really do that right now because of this YouTube type thing, you know, I want the ads to be fine on here. So what we're gonna do here, and I know this looks interesting, is what they're doing is they're analyzing the properties here and they're looking at over here. So it says all these are in this neighborhood. So let's go out here and check if it's actually right. So that is correct. We're just gonna test them out here. Let's see if it's correct. So yes, these are correct, which is good. So that's good. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna make a new spreadsheet here and we're gonna go organize this. And so we're gonna show you how quick it is to do all this. So that's pretty nice. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do this and do it again. We're gonna copy these addresses here. We're gonna just paste that in there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that again and then we're gonna paste the other ones in here. So just really quick, this is how you do a quick 100. This is like the really annoying and manual stuff, but you gotta remember, you have two choices here when you're wholesaling real estate. You could either pull a list of 14,000 high equities and just blast them on a dialer, which is fine. I would probably prefer you text on xleads doing that instead. I mean, the skip tracing is great, but like it would be better if you're just jamming for an hour or two and just getting the high quality data, getting it organized right here. Literally, okay, so I don't think this is like terrible traumatic work. Oh, Broken Pine's the next one. And you just copy, paste, copy, paste. It's a little bit more manual work, but I'm telling you right now that 95% of wholesalers who get a list like this, they just give up. Now, I used to tell people just go to cyberbackgroundchecks.com, but like, what's the point, right? You literally just go to xleads and you don't have to pay for the 1,000 skip traces. But wow, they're actually getting a little quicker here. So that's pretty nice. So now we're gonna paste that. All right, cool. Now it does give the headers, so we're just gonna change that up right here. Good. All right, go out here and just do this now. Okay, cool. Then I'm just gonna go out here and copy this one too, just so I have it ready. So again, you see how I'm like queuing up the next one? And again, this isn't like the plus version. I only have the plus of the ChatGPT because I'm a brokey apparently. But basically, like you just go copy, paste, and it's actually pretty cool. Now, if you want to do this like the cheaper way, right, and you already used up all 1,000 skip traces on xleads, go out here, do the manual way. Like, for example, like this property right here, you can go out here to addresses, search it, Orlando, and you can do it manually. I probably would not recommend this, but yeah, you can go out here, do it manually. Then you got the address here, and then you go out here, get the phone numbers, put on the spreadsheet, and do that whole thing. I probably wouldn't recommend you do that, but that's just kind of where I'm at on this. So let it confirm the locations here. All right, we got this. So we're gonna go copy this one, and we're gonna paste that on there. And the reason we're doing USPS verified is because it makes it easier to import onto xleads. And we're gonna copy that. We're gonna throw it right here, and then we're gonna go just have it finish that, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do there. I mean, guys, making 30 grand, guys, I don't think this is complicated. And to make it super simple, you see there's no edits, or I'm not like like I'm doing this in real time for you, right? Like I'm not trying to make this all fancy or schmancy. Like I'm literally just showing you my computer I'm doing this. Because if I can do this for about 30 minutes on a Saturday, I can go out here and get a list ready to go to make 30 grand in 30 minutes. I just don't understand what's the problem with you. This is so easy and simple. And the truth is about half the people are not going to do what I'm going to say here. The other half are actually going to do it, but who's going to do this every single week for about 2 or 3 months straight? Probably nobody. So if you want to make 100K, do this for 4 months straight. You're going to get deals. You're going to get at least 25K a month. 4 months, you're going to make 100K, but you just got to do this every single week. I mean, they're doing Saturdays. Just imagine I have a full-time job. I'm doing this right now. Boom. So you go right here. You got the data. Pretty good. So I'm going to go out here and download this as a CSV. Go to X Leads. I'm going to upload CSV right here. I'm going to upload the list. Go out here and upload this data set. And boom, right there. I got all the properties imported right there. So for example, this property right here looks pretty good, right? So I literally have the phone numbers right here. So literally get the phone numbers of the owner, which is pretty cool. I can even do a live AI SkyDrive and actually see what the property looks like live. Looks pretty good. So pretty gangster. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select all. I'm going to put this my code violation list, code violation, Orange County list, right? I'm going to create my list here. I'm going to select all the properties, and all I'm going to do just to export this, I'm going to press export. I'm going to just lead trace. So that includes the skip traces. I'm going to export all this data right here. And all I'm literally going to do here, boom, 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 press export. And just like that, it's doing live skip tracing. And by the way, I want everyone watching this to understand, this is better skip tracing than anybody else in the industry. And I'm putting so much emphasis on it's better, if not the same, that I'm willing to give you a 14-day free trial to test it out. For example, go to, I don't know, this property right here, right? Go to contacts, see this number right here. I guarantee you look at any other competitive X Leads, any other data provider. Look at that phone number. It's most likely to be the same as anybody else, except X Leads is $97 a month versus whatever everyone else charges. Right there, I got the data set done right here. And we have the property address. We have the owner on record. And you go to the right here and we got all the phone numbers. Cha-ching, money right there. Got the emails and all that stuff. So actually, no, my bad. This is contact one phone number, my bad here. You got all the numbers, all the data, and you're pretty much good to go. So what I'd recommend, you just go to Google Voice, call these people up, ask them, hey, is this the owner of 123 Main Avenue? This is Zach. I was just seeing if you're interested in selling the property. Get someone who's interested, text them on Google Voice, and go out here and make a ton of money. Guys, it has never been easier to make 30 grand a month wholesaling real estate. I'm literally going to give you skip traces for free at xleads.com. I'm showing you how to get the government data, how to organize it with AI. I don't think you even understand. Like before AI, I've been wholesaling for over 9 years. I had to physically Google search every property and get it done. Over 4,000 properties I used to do every single month manually. I used to have pay VAs. I was paying over $1,000 a month just to get the data organized to skip trace it. And I used to pay 14 cents a skip trace. Now you can get it absolutely for free and you get 1,000 free skip traces. I mean, it's the only software that'll give you 1,000 free skips and it's better than anybody else. So guys, you can check it out. Go to xleads.com, but you don't even need xleads. I mean, if you have no money, get the 1,000 free skips, go to cyber background checks, but government data, AI to organize it, and then go to town and get some deals. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. I truly believe you can make 30 grand in the next 30 days by literally just doing this simple strategy. There's nothing else. There's no like other strategies or nothing else to do. There's no distractions. It's literally just this. Get to work, make some money, and let's get rich. Wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.